Hey Tech Explorers, this is Lab 2.38 from the CompTIA Network Plus series, and this is Nekoya Prime Tech, your go-to tech channel. Let's learn how to connect patch panel cables and configure a workstation from network access. So this lab covers three key tasks. First is connecting the patch panel to the switch, linking a workstation to the wall outlets, and configuring network settings for automatic IP and So let's start in the networking closet. Now, once you have the visual, you're going to expand the networking closet for a better view. Then you're going to expand the shelf and select Cat6A RJ45 cable. Then drag one end to Office 1 on the patch panel and the other end to port 3 on the Cisco switch. Now, once you have done that, you gonna take the respective port Office 1 on the patch panel and the other one to the port 3 on the Cisco switch. So once you have done that nicely, this will allow you to go to the next phase. So before we go any further, maybe we take this time and observe what other cables look like. So this is the RJ45A, and you can see if you expand the connector section, you can see why it fits in the respective ports. Like see, this is the port where we are fixing the RJ45. So then we have this UTP cable, that is a two pair RJ11, and when you expand it, you can also see that this is why it's a bit different. Then you have the USB cable that has the A and B side. We also have the IEEE cable that has the connectors and how they look. And finally, we have the coaxial cable that is RG6. And you can visualize how they look. So this is why we specifically selected the RJ45. So let's fix the cabling in the workstation to wall outlet. So we're going to the flow one overview, as you can see. When you're selecting Office 1, then we're going straight to hardware. So next, you're going to connect the Office 1 workstation. So you're going to make sure that once you get here, you're going to go to Office 1. So once you connect to Office 1, you should have this workstation. Then so switch back view of the computer. So you have your computer and you have your CPU. So you're going to your PC. So you're going to switch at the back of the view of the computer so that you may be able to access where you put your Cat6A RJ45 cable. So once you've done that, select Cat6A RJ45 cable and then connect one end of the Ethernet port on the PC and connect the other to the wall outlet. So you have connected one end to the personal computer and then you're going to connect the other end to the wall outlet. So you have your PC over here. You have connected the one end of the RJ45 cable. Then you're going to connect the other end to the wall outlet. That is the red section. Okay. So once you successfully have done that, you have the liberty to configure the network settings. So uh, turn the computer to face the front so that you can have the access of Windows 11 on the desktop on the Office 1 monitor. So turn the monitor to face the front and then you con you connect to Windows 11 on desktop on Office 1 monitor. So then you're going to right click on start, then go to settings. Then you're going to select network and internet, then go to Ethernet, then go to edit IP assignment. So you see that the IP assignment is manual, so that could be an issue. That's why the issues in connectivity. So you're going to set the IP address to automatic, that is DHCP. So we're going to set it to DHCP, then say save. So once you're done with that phase, I think you can comfortably go to the confirmatory stage where you go to the globe or icon next to the connected, and then when you see the globe icon saying connected as its status, then you are officially online. Yeah. So that's a wrap on lab 2.38. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hands-on networking tutorials. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments and be sure I'll respond to each and every question. Thank you.